ene na Addo etu table so etwom anche obia
Abuja from Mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e dey need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Yeah, ene na Addo etu table so etwom anche obia ya mfro obia kwa musa no hwe awo Ghana ha ye tie ene de oye he ese hawo oye kum ye say ye stop no from somewhere back be me de say sankrofo no they are still in existence womo gususu di atem no mo de musuro womo de musuro womo ana anomu di atem de boamo
ateni no can be achichi no
hwe eda me wura ko ye pa ye da womo didi openeji kum ni kwam sifa katem pepe je kum pare je kum to onya manyoni nimdia papa wu a ode so University of Ghana timi catch there you say subs I can't repeat it. I can't repeat it.
Eya na eya
omo na mo wan
for tikra ya na eya dodo
how penije kum abrabo papa ya boy amanfo ma o fa legon watete wom nyansa semotan radio su ko bedwema okay
she
oh my god
bibia obabia sha ase afiri empanifo ntwa sa papa na nkora nsua asofo binum sha ase Ghana didi atem sofo ka jimi na wa jimi ama sese jimi na beti se bibia didi agro
no ma
enso ya samu asabi ye ya
ha oye galamsey enya small scale mining no galamsey a wo se asase no ma asase ni funtum eye basa no nyame ntua woka ubewu entem yenum nsuo ne yare a wo nso be yare bi se yenum nsuo ne edidi ne enase tataya wo de ebe tatai sika na ye de hwe ho yare wo gi no wo de be kwa abrochire wan hwe ya wo funu ene ye de beba nti ene me se tumu nkyene mi PhD me koye no ba ko pan ye bibia friend sustainability 5 years abom yare enya easy machi ene nneoma ekom se ka so bia ye PhD a enya easy machi matena say sa 5 years ade ba kwa me ye won research ni say ye free bibi triple bottom line ana 3P bibia mu no ye ka sustainability ade a wo ye ne ne nanso wo gine daache akiri ma ho eno ne sustainability se ade bia me ye ne ne no me kura no se
yeah
party na babontin say yan penis say obi anko tetem still with the shadow ba kwami apart from
ain't you waste your time
well me just anamasa san enyoma na ebinumo yes won ko tetem ayatem didi o me de me fancy ayatem didi pa obani Ghana ha nipa 34 35 36 million that's what me be drown hwe ye nim say nipa 30 something million ni obi enim nyansa odidi o mampani je se ba kopa ayatem didi ana masa amaya omo mpanimfo no se biota frache hu nyansa omo ko pray say yensisa constitution no omo ko tete no de ye hu niasi wo ho ye nitia o hawa beda manfo so de ade it is at tete no de omo nja kakura emma so Masa sabio Ghana intese la Côte d'Ivoire. Ni alasa watara ya no la Côte d'Ivoire no. Ontumi be ye bi wo Ghana ya mpene. Papa yi mi minim no kakra. Ebi a okra wonim no cheme. Ba mi minim no kakra. Na sanya minim no fa no. Nana Akumi aso nim no pa no. Nana Akumi adamfo.
Why watara?
Debi oh
John Dramani Mahama.
Wonim so Nana Akumi adamfo.
Meaning pa?
Yes. Miss minim no kakra.
Mbere madam for baru de onim no.
Minim no. Ba wo de. Sa wo de obi enim se wadamfo.
Na wo de onim no.
Minim no.
Onya wadam, o sheda nya wadam.
Me de. Eto da kura ya me friends ninia. Because of it. Any TV so asa.
But o sheda nya wadam.
Min cancer nana.
On also pentamako. Aye. On also pentamako. Yo, e je on also.
Edemano. Unya Kamila Al-Hassan. Ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya, woni akora bi de ba ye. O de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintenhu ta woto na wo hwiri treasure. Unim se atintenhu eta woto na wo hwiri treasure. Onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K. Onzo obi anka bi ma. Sa na wiase ne tie. So obi asamba fa we ye afutuo. Obi asamba susuka. Na wunim de da wanim. Obi asamba susuka. Na me me sreba wo se ebi mu be defend no. Wo be defend DJ K sasai. Enim guase we ya wagu ne ho. Wagu ne ho. Hey, DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia be se me kasa wakama asem. Wakama asem me wakama asem ya. Asa ne ye nya nipa. Asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam. Ene de wo me say baby I won ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye. Somebody can catch us say afaye. Afaye pa. Enti ne yentimi nka, yentimi enka no sade enka ese ye ka no. Ene wo nti Kamila Al-Hassan. Ocha krom ha. Chese DJ K na wo ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha. So obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye. Unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a. On say utam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu. Utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu. Ya na ho ye yesre. Ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya. Ene de ho na wo hye wo no. Ene wo na wo hye wo no. Me say Kamila Al-Hassan baby owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so. Ne kra ni beje. Na explanation be na de be abonten. Endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2. Me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti. Aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu. Ha DJ K. Me sese wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K. And then na o hye ho no. Next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo. Ewiase na ho kwa. Ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no. Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wa de wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
We just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Koye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia yede ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, no ma Dr. Bawumia eden na de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na meyama mo na. Busia na ke yensem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yenwie because of time. But those ones it will go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Hey, hospital and a go sana no me say." It is a Kenyan who say na no me na be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa but me say, "Oh, I mean say we say people for for." Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya for. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya for. You say anya Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo keke mo kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntum with the greatest of respect. Omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntum nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma ntum nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma ntum nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntum nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de sebi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Na na yete ne nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wache dem me na wo ne wo sia che me sabi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma so o mema was come to mutu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade da mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Ibrahim Dramani ma ko gina fese NKWASIAFUO mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne be to ba na ma boom mo to ba ma kinki government etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a yokofo chro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true. Onye Juma or da. And Onye Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.